Hey guys, welcome back to EJ Food. I will be doing something simple, something fast today. It is, if you're looking at the ingredients, something super fast. It is going to be a strawberry banana shake, I guess. Like a smoothie sort of thing. I'm using some Bluebell homemade vanilla ice cream, Simply Balanced organic strawberry and banana fruit blend, milk, and it has to be vitamin D milk, not 1% or 2%, and some leftover bananas that are ready to be made. Let's do this.
The very first thing that I'm going to do is put this banana inside, and as you can see I took off the black part because I don't want it to be nasty. After that, I'm going to go in with the frozen fruit. I'm going to put in the strawberries and the bananas. They are frozen put together, so I just separate them. Once I'm done with the fruit, then I'll put some ice cream in there. You can use frozen yogurt, but this time I'm using vanilla ice cream. And just put like a few scoops of it. Okay, and the very last thing would be the milk. Just put a little bit of milk in it, maybe like a cup of milk, just to make it easier to blend.
Once everything is done, all you have to do is just serve it and put it in your favorite cup and enjoy.
Look at that, guys.
It tastes good. You're too close.
Right. You want some? Baby, you did good, babe.
Is it EJ approved?
Yes, it is.
All right.
Yes, it is. We're about to have breakfast. I can't miss this up. I gotta eat breakfast. Please. I will see you in a little bit. Give it a thumbs up, please.
Bye.